Hi, it's Miss Nancy from the Kansas Children's Discovery Center, Discovery at Home. Caregivers, I have not forgotten you. Toddlers are busy, they have no on and off button, they are just awake and moving or not. This requires a timer. Start with very small increments, but set the stage for creativity and independence. Allow your child the time to self-discover, to self-soothe, to self-stimulate, to learn to play alone, and to trust the choices they make while they're doing that. What we start with is a laundry basket. I have set some other things, some boxes or plastic bins would also work. I have a plethora of laundry baskets at my house, so that's what I would go to. But have your toddler explore the room. Turn it into a toddler train. Fill the boxes or the hampers with stuffed animals or baby dolls or anything else that's comforting. Create a train. Over here, we've put things together, and if you have the string, tie the pieces together and it becomes a fine motor as well as a creative gross motor. You can tie them together and they can pull them through the train. It's great sensory input for the shoulders, the hips, and the movement of those joints. Great body-brain builder. Now, I put some friends here, stuffed animals together. You need a spot for the engineer, of course, and he's gonna have to take care of these guys, and of course they get hungry, right? So perhaps instead of the caboose at the end, you can set up a dining car, and maybe mom, the snack lady, could provide a snack to eat in the dining car. 5 minutes for you, safe play, and independence for them.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you to our friends at Sunflower Health Plan for your generous support of Discovery at Home.